It's me, Nomi, and today we're taking a look at the top 10 2018 wheat harvest videos. Let's get started.
Big Tractor Power was busy in the field for the 2018 winter wheat harvest. There were a number of big combines, tractors, and grain carts that I was able to film for the YouTube channel. It's exciting seeing these big grain headers cutting the wheat and the big
look at those harvesting the wheat.
Large tractors and grain
Can
carts
I?
out of the field. There were a number of new machines for 2018 out in the field with a variety of harvesting advancements.
Yep,
in this Big
just a
Tractor
new
Power
machine.
video,
What I'm gonna got.
Favorite moments from the wheat harvest. You'll see a variety of combine brands, tractors, and grain carts. So I hope that you'll stay tuned for the top 10 Big Tractor Power moments of the 2018 winter wheat harvest.
Let's get started. Big Tractor Power. Number 10, Wheat Harvest 2018. The New Holland CX85 combined, the Smart Tracks. Ooh, gotta get the weeds out of me. So, we're gonna dig this though. Love the new tractor. We'll do these moments after a while. Number 9. The 42 feet Shelburne Reynolds X CV42. Look how big it is. The vehicle is big. What happens when you see this and that? Look at that. That's a big load of feet long. I really think you did anyways. Yep, that's big. And it's tall, too. Time for some mow the weeds. Well, it's needing a little bit of action, though. Gonna take this straight. Gotta overload that. Number 8, the Ken's 1105 grain cart. The and it's 2 vehicles on it. Where are you going, buddy? We're almost on the track, though. I'm sort of coming, y'all. Yep, that's pretty sure. Then harvesting. Okay, you gotta refill the wheat, and you're out of there. Number 7, we have the Klingman 5004WD. How in the world is probably in a road? Why is anywhere about the tractor? Is it gone now? Where are you going, buddy? Number 6 on the list goes to the John Deere 952RX null track. 9520RX. As I'm saying. Boy, it sure is really hard to do, but I'm gonna keep cracking on shelves. You got that, huh? And number 5 on the list goes to the Klingman S78 Combine. I can show heard about that fall-themed videos when I'm talking to you. But that thing is called Tricky One. That's really mature about that. Number 4 on the list goes to the Challenger 1038 and Brent V1100. Pour some wheat for me. Oh, there she goes. Well, there. And number 3 is the New Holland CR8090 Combines. Yep, 3 vehicles in one. Talk about the mighty machines. Number 2 on the list is the Case IH 9240 Axle Flow Cabines. What? I still got a move on that one. Got a piece of that action. Still keep tracking on that. We're gonna keep mowing. Mow the weeds. Still keep tracking. Still tracking. Hold still. See, that's the last of that. That's all a mow. We're almost at the end. And the number 1 Weed Harvest 2018 video goes to the 7 John Deere S790 Cabines. That's 7 of them. Well, we're still tracking on that. Tracking that. Like always, the way the best. When you brought you to the Big Tractor Power. I misunderstood this. Oh, dearly not. But here comes all the tractors. But still got the longest. Coming though.
I hope you've enjoyed seeing and hearing all the big combines, tractors, and grain carts at work in this Big Tractor Power video. I'd like to hear what your favorite machine was in this top 10 countdown. Leave a comment in the section below this video.
Well, that's all for it. We'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching.